Hello, dancer. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to do advanced shimmy layers with an undulation. My name is Alexandra, and I am a teacher based in Miami, Florida. I am also a co-director and founder of Belly Dance Stories, which we are a community and theater beautiful environment and space for dancers to grow. But you can check out more of that information in the description. So, I love this combination. I love this layer. And in my classes, I call these types of moves layers because we stack them one on top of the other. That's kind of how we want to think about it, okay? Let's play a little bit of music to get us going. So step number one is to ground your shimmies. What does that mean when we say ground your shimmies? To me, at least, it means that you want to feel if you can do a shimmy in place and continuous. I think that's the secret sauce to a grounded quote shimmy, meaning you feel that you can handle the back and forth of your knees and the stability in your foundation continuously. And then for advanced shimmies, that you are able to move the hips side to side, forward and back in different directions. So let's do step one check-in together. Let's get into a shimmy, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right? Open up the posture. Make sure the whole body is activated. Never let that go, especially for a video like this that's about an advanced combination. So we've got shifting side to side, your weight, then shifting forward and back, and then shifting in diagonals. So once you get that grounded, now we can bring it back to tilting the pelvic floor up and down with that continuous shimmy. And when we do these layers, we want to make sure that check-in is part of the strength that you feel in the lower abdominals right here. That's pulling the tailbone down and the hip floor up, not just the belly. So we've got that. Step one, check-in for at least the lower body. And now we're gonna do upper body check-in stability here. So move that chest up, down, side, side, without moving those shoulders, right? I mean, if you wanna check in and isolate those shoulders, definitely. But as long as your shimmy stays continuous, then that's how you know that you feel grounded, that you are, quote, grounded, all right, in your space, feeling good about that continuity. Now, the undulation has 3 parts, or sometimes 4 parts. It really depends on how the teacher is teaching it. In the basic, most fundamental breakdown, I'll show you sideways. We are going to lift that rib cage up on 1, drop that rib cage down on 2 from those upper abs, bring in the pelvic floor on 3, and if you want to go back to neutral on 4, you can, or you can skip number 4 and go straight back up to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, right? Lift, in, look up, drop it in, drop it in. So that's the base undulation. Now to get that going with your shimmy, you rev this up again, you pass through that step 1, and then step 2 was understanding the undulation. So that's step 2, right? Going back there. Step 2, make sure that undulation is nice and solid by itself with no shimmy. Lifting up, rolling in. Lifting up, rolling in. Checking in with that body. Upper back, upper abs, lower abs, right? This is all a foundation move, a basic move. Now putting 2 and 2 together is step 3. Keeping it solid here. And we're gonna lift up, in, shimmy. Let's go step by step. 1, 2, 3, and once you get to the hips, you add in that shimmy. This is one way to start implementing the layers together. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, in, roll, let it go. Now, let's do it a second way. Bring in the shimmy. Start there. You're gonna go slow motion. Lift that chest up. drop it in, pull it in. Let's try it again. Lift, drop it in, pull it in. Again, lift, drop it in, pull it in. Lift, drop it in, pull it in. If you feel that your shimmy is beginning to get tight, as you either lift up like this or you roll in to the end, it could mean that you have to go back and work on the continuity of the shimmy. Up, roll in. You must feel your whole body engaging for this. My biggest tip, you must feel your whole body engaging. Okay, nothing gets left soft, nothing gets left without energy, no matter how big or small it looks. So we lift up, roll in. Lift up, roll in. Lift up, roll in. One more time. Lift up, roll in, let it go. Breathe throughout the whole thing, okay? Now, we're gonna add a quick change of your feet to finish off the layer, okay, to make it really fancy. Arms, add them in as you wish. So we have 1, 2, 3. Rev up that shimmy and the undulation. Now I want you to start to bring your right foot into a soft 1.5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, roll in. 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 Yes, now have fun with it. Change your arms. Look in different directions. Make sure that you don't get too stiff on the head and on the neck or the shoulders, because this one can be crazy. Whew, okay, so technique like this with layers and shimmies and hard moves like undulations tend to make us feel uncomfortable sometimes, and it can feel overwhelming. I like to explain it like this. Imagine that you just walked into a forest that nobody has been to, that you yourself have not been to yet. And there's a lot of trees and branches and you don't really see a path. But the first day, you start going through the path and start clearing it out. The next day, you go back to the same path and you clear it out. You push those branches out of the way. The third day, you go back, you work on the path, you clear it out again. And over, you walk through this path day by day, and the path becomes more clear as you go through and as you work through clearing out that pathway. That's how I like to think about technique and practice. So be patient with your body, do it every day, do the discipline. I mean, you don't have to do it every day, but the more you do it, the more that path is gonna be more clear for you, and the more you're gonna be able to tune into the music and to your body without getting overwhelmed on thinking about, ooh, what muscle am I using? How are my shimmies doing? Am I breathing? All of the more micromanagement things that your brain can handle once it gets used to it. Okay? So I hope you like this layer, and I hope this was a beneficial video for you guys.